Hello friend, welcome to my channel across the country today and we have a lot of moisture now moving across the Midwest and as well a back thought the central plains and this will pose the threat for a large winter weather event as we go thought the day today and as back over in the southern plains southeast of Madagascar region most of more days until we eventually have a more active weather pattern next week. But this is very typical for El Nino winter, so definitely no surprise her. And then back our one west coast, we still have heavy snowfall and rain back our in California, Oregon, and Washington, and this is only expected to continue our in California, Oregon, and Washington, and this is only expected to continue for the next couple of days. Now let's talk more about this winter storm that will be impacting the United States over the next couple of days will religion with what's happening out there around lunchtime today. There will be some light freezing rain and drizzle across areas like the Midwest, the Ohio Valley, and rain that accumulates into any untreated roadways will cause some travel impacts. Eventually, by the evening hours, that's when this starts to come together more as we are going to have heavy snowfall. Back over in the upper Midwest freezing, rain across aliens and also back thought the Oi Valley and it will start to ramp up back over in overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. That's going to be the heaviest of the freezing rain and so tomorrow morning that going to be the heaviest of the freezing rain and so especially back over in New Jersey and as will a back thought New York and Maryland, where we go expecting some significant icing in these areas, which again could lead to travel impacts and isolated power rates. Snow will continue back over in the upper Midwest as will eventually just southern New England and across area like New York should definitely be ready for some snowfall eventually as we get closer lunchtime. That snow continue to move to the north and east. I do want to point out that the heaviest of the snow will likely stay of course during the daylight hours Thursday unless you're in extreme southern New England and even that we're going to transition to rain and as well as freezing rain eventually by around lunching. So the snowfall accumulation does through new look this winter storm. However, there will be several in a few spots, especially back our New England, that I think will be a lot more interesting is the winter storm that we are dealing with this weekend that probably be about to times worse there and now this many surprise your there is any areas will actually have freezing drizzling and even light freezing rain and that includes area back our northwest Oklahoma, back thought Missouri and also thought Illinois and lower thought the daytime today should be careful. Wanda might want to take it slow out there or just avoid those roads back over in the might want to take it slow out there or just avoid those roads back over in the northeast and as well the Ohio Valley that where the most significant ice accumulation is expected. Many areas could be as high a further often much of ice and we might even have a couple spots getting close to a half an inch of ice accumulation when this is all said and done, especially back over here in West Virginia and southern Pennsylvania, where we actually have a store warming. In effect, the region there is a potential upwards of ice accumulation which would have the operational to come power adjust. Addition to major travel impacts. So if your back hour near the apple shine. Mountains definitely keep that in mind. Elsewhere, a glazing upwards of maybe a beast of inch of ice will be possible across Missouri, Illinois, and as well as Ohio and Indiana, and perhaps even around the Detroit there and then back over in the most of Pennsylvania. You can basically tenth of an inch is the most of a few sports could be as high as further a inch of accumulation. Now the terms snowfall accumulation from this first winter weather event we are expecting most areas in the Midwest between a coating to a couple of inches, but it your back over northern Wisconsin of better sort, therefore around 3 to 6 lines of snowfall, and then back over the northeast most of New England I think will pick up around 3 to 5 inches of snow. I honestly thinking is England I think will pick the around 3 5 inches of snow. I honestly think this graphics is a little bit of an understanding. We have a few locations closer to maybe 6 or 7 lines of snow, but again this a relatively fast moving system, so the chance of your seeing a significant amount of snowfall like to 10 to 12 lines snow have them across out of the winter weather event today and visible tomorrow. If you are out of this winter weather event today and which tomorrow, if you are anywhere is southern New England thought southern New York in the New Jersey, most of these areas are coding a couple inches. Won't be surprised we have a couple spots the 4 inch back over southeast Missouri, but eventually it's just going to into freezing rain and then event which we make all the snow anyway, and low risk for tornadoes tonight into early tomorrow morning. Notice this we actually have winter back to our a canically intense around isolated tornado tonight, have a tornado action plan ready to give the event. However, we might see a brief tornado, but the purely due to the there is a little bit of wind shear out there. Timing to be looks after sunset. Receive alerts. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. You're never there. Always is a very low chance we go something like this, but it is a very low risk of tonight. Now beyond another one, and it's going to be in a very smaller areas as well, and we into the this will really wrap Saturday afternoon with some with